Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create queues in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what are queues in Salesforce. In Salesforce, queues are a feature that allow you to group records like cases, leads, tasks, etc. that need to be worked on by a group of users. They help manage workloads by enabling teams to share the responsibilities of processing these records. Now move ahead and learn to create queues in Salesforce. So here I open my Salesforce account and it is by default open in the Lightning version. So for creating the queues, we click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option. Our setup page is open and here we enter the queues in the quick find box and then select the queue option and it will redirect us to the queue page. Queues allow the group of users to manage a shared workload more efficiently. A queue is a location where record can be routed to await processing by a group of members. The records remain in the queue until a user accepts them for processing or they are transferred to the another queue. And here we want to create a new queue. So for this, we click on the new button. Here is the new button. Click on this new button and our new queue page is open and here we enter the information related to the queues. So firstly, we enter the label and here we enter the label as a lead queue and then we enter the queue name which is automatically generated and then we enter the queue email. This is the optional field. If you want to enter the email, then you can enter it, otherwise leave it as it is. Now here you can see there is another option present that is send email to the member. If you want to send this queue email to the members, then you check this checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. Now scroll to the bottom. Here we can see there is a spotted object section present and now select the object you want to assign to the queue. And here we select the lead object. So here we search the lead, select the lead object from the available objects and then click on the add button and the lead object is added to the selected objects. And now scroll down and here we can see there is a queue members section. To add the member to this queue, select the type of member, then choose the group role or the user from the available members and move them to the selected members. If the sharing model for all objects in the queue is public, read, write, transfer, you do not need to assign user to the queue as all users already have access to the records of those objects. Here is a search option. You can click on the drop down arrow and you can select any of the option public group, roles and internal subordinates, roles, internal and portal subordinates and the user. And here we select the roles for this search. Now select the members to add to the queue. And in this case, we are going to add the marketing queue to the group. And here we are selecting the marketing team and from the available members and add it to the selected members and then scroll down and once all these things are completed click on the save button and here we go, our queue is successfully created and present under the queues page. So with this we have learned how to create queues in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.